Hey food lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making something crispy, cheesy, and absolutely irresistible mozzarella cheese balls. This recipe is quick, easy, and perfect for when you want a snack that's both indulgent and satisfying. Whether you're hosting a party, craving a cheesy appetizer, or just want to treat yourself, this mozzarella cheese balls recipe will never disappoint. Not only will I show you the step-by-step method, but I'll also share tips to make sure your cheese balls turn out perfectly crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside every single time. Trust me, after trying this, you'll never go back to store-bought snacks. Here's everything you'll need for this mozzarella cheese balls recipe. 1 cup mozzarella cheese, fresh and soft for the perfect melt. 2 eggs to help bind and coat the cheese balls. 1/2 cup plain flour. This gives that first layer of crispiness. 1 cup breadcrumbs for that golden, crunchy texture. Oil for frying. Use a neutral oil like vegetable or sunflower oil for the best flavor. That's it. Just a handful of ingredients, and you're ready to go. All right, let's get cooking. Step 1. Shape the cheese balls. Take your mozzarella cheese and roll it into small bite-sized balls. The smaller you make them, the quicker they'll cook and the easier they'll be to eat. If your mozzarella is fresh and soft, you might want to pat it dry with a paper towel before shaping, so the coating sticks better. Step 2. First coat with flour. Once your cheese balls are shaped, roll each one in plain flour. This step is super important because it creates a dry base for the egg mixture to stick to, and it also adds an extra layer of crunch. Step 3. Dip in egg mixture. Crack the eggs into a bowl, whisk them until smooth, and dip each floured cheese ball into the egg mixture. Make sure it's fully coated, so the breadcrumbs will cling evenly. Step 4. Coat with breadcrumbs. Next, roll each egg-coated cheese ball in breadcrumbs until fully covered. This is what gives that irresistible golden brown crust when fried. Step 5. Freeze before frying. Here's a pro tip. Before frying, place your coated mozzarella cheese balls in the freezer for 15 minutes. This helps them hold their shape in the hot oil and prevents the cheese from leaking out too soon. Step 6. Fry to perfection. Heat your oil in a pan over medium flame. You don't want the oil too hot, or the outside will burn before the cheese melts. Drop the cheese balls gently into the oil and fry until they're golden brown and crispy. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes per batch. Step 7. Serve and enjoy. Remove the fried cheese balls and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any extra oil. Serve hot with your favorite dipping sauce, marinara, garlic mayo, or even a spicy chili sauce work beautifully. So, what makes this mozzarella cheese balls recipe so amazing? First, it's incredibly versatile. You can make it as a quick snack, a side dish, or even a party appetizer. Second, it's a fantastic beginner-friendly recipe. No complicated steps, just simple ingredients and straightforward cooking. Plus, making these at home means you control the quality, no preservatives, no mystery cheese blends, just pure, delicious mozzarella wrapped in a crispy golden shell. It's also a great way to practice breading techniques, which you can use in so many other dishes like fried chicken, onion rings, or stuffed jalapenos. Here are some extra tips to make your mozzarella cheese balls even better. Season the breadcrumbs. Add a pinch of salt, pepper, or even Italian herbs for extra flavor. Double coat for extra crunch. For an ultra crispy shell, repeat the egg and breadcrumb steps before freezing. Use panko breadcrumbs. They give an airier, lighter crunch compared to regular breadcrumbs. Experiment with fillings. Try adding a small piece of jalapeno or a sun-dried tomato inside the mozzarella ball for a surprise flavor burst. And there you have it, perfectly crispy, cheesy, and absolutely mouth-watering mozzarella cheese balls. I promise, once you try this recipe, it's going to be your go-to snack for every occasion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, tell me in the comments, what's your favorite dipping sauce for mozzarella cheese balls? I'd love to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe video. Until then, happy cooking!